Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to continue Module 6. We will have Song Part 2. In this lesson we are going to identify the rule of past simple was and were, apply the rule through spoken sentences, apply the rule through written sentences. This lesson you will find it in your student book page number 67 and in your workbook page number 69. Are you ready to start? Let's begin. Let's read these sentences together. I was at the park yesterday. My brother was at the sports center yesterday. My friends were at the shopping center yesterday. Now look again at the sentences and answer this question. When did these actions happen? Look carefully. That's correct. These actions happened yesterday. Now, can you spot the verb in each sentence? Very good. The verbs are was and were. Both of them are in the past tense. Look again at the sentences and think, what are these sentences talking about? Excellent. They are describing the places people visited yesterday. Always remember, we use the past simple tense of the verb to be, was, and were to describe the place people visited in the past. To form sentences using past simple form, was and were, we follow these rules. Rule number 1. We start the sentence with one of these pronouns, or we mention the name of the person followed by was. Then we mention the place and we add full stop at the end. For example, I was at the amusement park last week. Rule number 2. We start the sentence by using one of these pronouns, followed by where. Then we mention the place and we add full stop at the end. For example, they were at the zoo last week. Now let's practice. In this activity, you are going to read and choose the correct answer. Number 1. Sammy at home yesterday. The sentence starts with Sammy. And this action happened yesterday. It means that we have to use the past simple form. Now look at the options. What do you think? What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is B, was. Sammy was at home yesterday. Number 2. They at the cinema last Friday. The sentence starts with they, and this action happened last Friday. Now look at the options. What do you think? What is the correct answer? That's correct. The correct answer is were. They were at the cinema last Friday. Number 3. Fred and Max at the amusement park last holiday. The sentence starts with Fred and Max. So the correct answer will be where, because we are talking about an action happened last holiday, which means that it happened in the past. What about this activity? Do as shown between brackets. Number 1. I is at the sports center yesterday. We have to follow the order. We need to correct the underlined verb. Is here is wrong. The correct answer is was. Let's move to number 2. Ali and Omar are at the library last week. Also, we have to correct the underlined verb. And the underlined verb is are. Are is wrong. The correct answer is were. Good job. Do as shown between brackets. Number 3. Jamil is at the schoolyard last morning. Also, we have to correct the underlined verb. We have here is, and is wrong. So, because we are talking about an action happened last morning, we have to change it into the past simple form. The correct answer is was. Well done, everyone. You did great. Let's practice more. Are you ready? Let's go. Grab your workbook and open it at Module 6, page 69, and pay attention to activity number 2. In this activity, you will look and write. Let's do number 1 together as an example. Number 1. Ali be the sports center yesterday. What you have to do is to rewrite this sentence with the correct tense. Now, this sentence happened yesterday. It means that we have to change be into the past simple form. The sentence starts with the word Ali. So, the correct answer will be Ali was at the sports center yesterday. Now pause the video and try to continue by yourself. Welcome back. Now let's check our answers together. Number 2. Khalid be the park Saturday morning. The answer will be Khalid was at the park on Saturday morning. Number 3. Zoe and Zara be the amusement park yesterday evening. The answer will be Zoe and Zara were at the amusement park yesterday evening. Number 4. Sophie and her mom be a hot air balloon yesterday morning. The answer will be Sophie and her mom were in a hot air balloon yesterday morning. Number 5. Jamal be school this morning. The answer will be Jamal was at the school this morning. Number 6. There be a raccoon park yesterday morning. The answer will be there was a raccoon at the park yesterday morning. Good job, everyone. I know you could do it. And now open your student book, Module 6, page 67, and pay attention to activity number 3. In this activity, you will imagine you went to the places below last week and complete the table. Then say, what did you do there? Pay attention. You can use these actions that are in the blue box, but you have to change them into the past first, because we are talking about actions happened last week. So, play becomes played, feed becomes fed, and go becomes went. Now let's read the dialogue between these two kids together. I was at the amusement park last Wednesday. What did you do there? I went on all the rides. Now Ahmed is going to tell us about himself. He will tell us what did he do last week and where was he last week. Okay, Ahmed, take 2 seconds and complete the table. That's great. Now, tell us, where were you last week and what did you do there? Hello, everyone. I was at the park last Monday. I played football. I was at the zoo last Wednesday. I fed the giraffes. And now it's your turn, Noor. Look at the table and try to complete it. Thank you so much. Now tell us, where were you last week and what did you do there? Hello, everyone. I was at the park last Saturday. I fed the ducks. I was at the amusement park last Monday. I went on the roller coaster. What about you? Look again at the table. Try to complete it, then answer the question. Where were you last week? Don't forget to use this form. Now it's time to write. You will write about where were you? Yesterday, last Friday, last Saturday, and last holiday. And don't forget also to write about what did you do there in each day. Don't forget to use the past simple form. Don't forget to share your ideas with us. Thank you and see you next lesson.